Hello everyone, Mr. Geiselart here, and we're going to take a look at question number 11, which is dividing polynomials with remainders. So we're going to start off by just using our synthetic division. So remember, when we're using our synthetic division, the first thing we're going to want to do is set it up. Since this is a degree 4 polynomial, I'm going to start with x to the fourth, x to the third, x squared, x, and then the constant. So all I want to do is I want to put in the coefficients of each one of these. So my coefficient for my x squared is 1. The coefficient for my x cubed, for my x to the fourth is 1. For my x cubed is -1. For my x squared is 0. For my x, it's -2. And for my constant, it's -7. Then I need to put one of the roots on the outside. Well, if I know a factor is x minus 1, that means I need to put a positive 1 on the outside because that's my root. So now let's go ahead and do the synthetic division. I bring down the 1, and so that's 1. Then I do 1 times 1 and put that there. That will be 1. -1 plus 1 gives me 0. 1 times 0 is 0. 0 plus 0 is 0. 1 times 0 is 0. -2 plus 0 is -2. 1 times -2 is going to be -2, so -7 and -2 is -9. Now, whatever this last part here is, that's going to be your remainder. So my remainder is -9. And here's how we write this out as our answer. Remember, whenever you're doing synthetic division, you're decreasing the degree by 1. So this is now my x third term, this is my x squared, this is my x, and this is my constant, and then I have my remainder. So my x coefficient is 1, so that's just going to be x to the third. Then I have 0x squared, 0 x's, and then -2. Now, in order to write the remainder, all I'm going to do is just add whatever the remainder is, in this case -9, over whatever you're dividing by, and I'm dividing by x minus 1. So your remainder is just whatever this number is here over whatever you're dividing by, x minus 1. And that's how you enter that in.